Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to hide WhatsApp online status. So the steps is very much simple. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated from us. So let's get started. So first of all, simply start by tapping on the apps icon. Go to the WhatsApp application. Here we go. Then after you enter here, you can see the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Just click on these three dots, and now here in the option you can see the option of settings at very last. So just click on this settings, and now in this page you can see the option of account. Just go to this account, and now just go to the privacy at the very top. And now here you can see the option of last seen. Just click on this last seen option, and now you can choose who can see your last seen, your online activity, like everyone or my contact or nobody. Here in order to hide, I'm going with nobody. Just click on this nobody, select the nobody, and again go back. That's it, your changes has been done. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like this video as well. Thank you for watching.